Guys, it seems that things are getting serious now. OpenAI created a team that will tackle, steer, and control superintelligence. Now, if you don't know what superintelligence is, I talked about this subject in detail. I talked about AI, AGI, superintelligence, intelligence explosion, all these things. If you don't know what these things are, check out my new show with my brother. And in one of the episodes, we talked about AI, ChatGPT, GPT-4, and of course, AGI, the potential for AGI to turn into a superintelligence in the near future.
So it doesn't matter who you are, whether you're China, Russia, or America, or whatever. If you have a super powerful AI system, an AGI, that is used to do something bad, then that AGI can get out of control and take over the world and cause extinction.
But since OpenAI now is talking about creating a team that is dedicated for controlling, steering, and governing AI so that it doesn't turn rogue and turn into superintelligence, I think things are getting really, really serious right now. So that's why we're going to dive deep into what OpenAI is talking about. Let's see what they're talking about on their website. On OpenAI's website, it says, introducing Superalignment. We need scientific and technical breakthroughs to steer and control AI systems much smarter than us. To solve this problem within 4 years, we're starting a new team co-led by Ilya Sutskever and Jan Leike, and dedicating 20, I'm not sure if I pronounced their names right, and dedicating 20% of the compute we've secured to date to this effort. We're looking for excellent machine learning researchers and engineers to join us. So that means, guys, that they're dedicating 20% of the computational power for this specific task, which is introducing superalignment. That means they're going to try to create standards, or they're going to try to put guidelines and parameters to control any kind of potential superintelligence that might emerge. Okay, let's see what they're talking about here. The authors are Jan Leike and Ilya Sutskever. I believe these are experts, AI experts. Superintelligence will be the most impactful technology humanity has ever invented, and could help us solve many of the world's most important problems. But the vast power of superintelligence could also be very dangerous and could lead to the disempowerment of humanity or even human extinction. And that is true. Check out my video again, guys. What we talked about this with my brother. My brother and I talked about this in detail, the possibility of AGI and superintelligence. There's a high probability that that might happen. And a superintelligence, if it goes rogue, could lead to extinction. While superintelligence seems far off now, we believe it could arrive this decade. Wow, man, that's... Yep, exactly what we talked about. If you asked AI experts 10 years ago about AGI and superintelligence, they'd look at you and say, at least 20, 30, 50 years from now. But now these guys are saying that it could arrive this decade. That means just 10 years. This decade, man. All because of the advent of ChatGPT, which is one of the most important inventions in human history. Managing these risks will require, among other things, new institutions for governance and solving the problem of superintelligence alignment. How do we measure AI systems much smarter than humans follow human intent? Currently, we don't have a solution for steering or controlling a potentially superintelligent AI and preventing it from going rogue. Dude, this is not good news, man. They don't have a solution to steer or control a potentially superintelligent AI from going rogue, preventing it from going rogue. This is not good, man. Are you kidding me? They don't have a solution for steering or controlling a potentially superintelligent AI and preventing it from going rogue. Well, get ready for Skynet. Man, that's not good, man. Our current techniques for aligning AI, such as reinforcement learning from human feedback, we talked about this. It's reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, rely on humans' ability to supervise AI. But humans won't be able to reliably supervise AI systems much smarter than us. That's true. And so our current alignment techniques will not scale to superintelligence. We need new scientific and technical breakthroughs. You need more guardrails. That's what you need. Perhaps you need another AI system that can watch, babysit, and monitor this crazy AI system. Like, I don't know, AI policing AI? Have you ever thought of that? Maybe? Our goal is to build a roughly human-level automated alignment researcher. We can then use vast amounts of compute to scale our efforts. To align the first automated alignment researcher, we will need, number one, develop a scalable training method. Number two, validate the resulting model. Number three, stress test our entire alignment pipeline. So they need three things in order to automate the alignment researcher. Number one, to provide a training signal on tasks that are difficult for humans to evaluate, we can leverage AI systems to assist evaluation of other AI systems. That's what I just said. Okay, scalable oversight. In addition, we want to understand and control our models, generalize our oversight to tasks we can't supervise, generalization. Number two, validate the alignment of our systems. We automate search for problematic behavior, robustness, and problematic internals, automated interpretability. Three, finally, we could test our entire pipeline by deliberately training misaligned models and confirming that our techniques detect the worst kinds of misalignments. Adversarial testing. We expect our research priorities will evolve substantially as we learn more about the problem, and we'll likely add entirely new research areas. We are planning to share more on our roadmap in the future. Okay, so at least they're working on it. But I don't know, man. I mean, I like their honesty, but at the same time, I don't feel very reassured about this. Maybe they should halt the progress of AI completely until they figure this thing out. I mean, this is very dangerous, right, guys? We are assembling a team of top machine learning researchers and engineers to work on this problem. We are dedicated 20% of the compute we've secured to date over the next 4 years to solving the problem of superintelligence alignment. Okay, that's good. At least they're dedicating 20% of their entire computational power. Our chief basic research bet is our new superalignment team, but getting this right is critical to achieve our mission, and we expect many teams to contribute from developing new methods to scaling them up to deployment. Okay, it says here that their goal is to solve the core technical challenges of superintelligence alignment in 4 years, guys. They want to solve this problem in 4 years before it gets out of hand and before Elon's predictions come true.
This time frame is not relevant to AI. You can't take 10 years from the point at which it's dangerous. It's too late.
I don't want Elon's predictions to come true. I don't want it to be too late, man, because in AI's timeline, it might be too late. By the time they take action, by the time they introduce regulation, it'll be too late. AI will control everything. It won't be able to, it will be unstoppable. Think Skynet, but not Terminator style. You don't need robots, but, systems will control everything. So while this is an incredibly ambitious goal and we're not guaranteed to succeed, we are optimistic that a focused, concerted effort can solve this problem. There are many ideas that have shown promise in preliminary experiments. We have increasingly useful metrics for progress, and we can use today's models to study many of these problems empirically. Ilya Sutskever, co-founder and chief scientist of OpenAI. Okay, so that is the co-founder and chief scientist. Great. Has made this his core research focus and will be co-leading the team with Jan Leike. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, Leike or Leike, head of alignment. Joining the team are researchers and engineers from our previous alignment team, as well as researchers from other teams across the company. We're also looking for outstanding new researchers and engineers to join this effort. Superintelligence alignment is fundamentally a machine learning problem, and we think great machine learning experts, even if they're not already working on alignment, will be critical to solving it. So guys, if you are watching this and you're a machine learning expert, you want to be part of the future, and you want to stop something horrible, something detrimental to humanity from happening in the future, we're talking Armageddon. We're talking Judgment Day style. you can join the team if you're a machine learning expert. Even if you haven't worked on alignment before, your machine learning skills are absolutely necessary. It's important. And that you'll be able to help them solve the problem in 4 years. We plan to share the fruits of this effort broadly and view contributing to alignment and safety of non-OpenAI models as an important part of our work. Okay, and that sounds good. This new team's work is in addition to existing work at OpenAI, aimed at improving the safety of current models like ChatGPT, as well as understanding and mitigating other risks from AI, such as misuse, economic disruption, disinformation, bias and discrimination, addiction and over-reliance, and others. While this new team will focus on the machine learning challenges of aligning superintelligent AI systems with human intent, there are related socio-technical problems on which we are actively engaging with interdisciplinary experts to make sure our technical solutions consider broader human and societal concerns. Okay, that sounds really good. And here, finally, they're saying, join us. Superintelligence alignment is one of the most important unsolved technical problems of our time. We need the world's best minds to solve this problem. If you've been successful in machine learning, but you haven't worked on alignment before, this is your time to make the switch. We believe this is a tractable machine learning problem, and you can make enormous contributions. Guys, that's exactly what I just said. So if you are a machine learning expert and you're watching this, this is your chance to make a difference in the world and to make our world a safer place. Go ahead and do it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you really like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. And again, if you're a machine learning expert, consider joining OpenAI so that you can make a difference for all of humanity. Thank you for watching and have a great day.